as its label. Okay, I am happy with our login file. Now let's go back to our server. So in here, let me see. Okay, let's add in here now the post request for our login to be rendered. So that's login spec should be rec first and then rec. And then inside, we're now going to create the variables for both our username and then the password. And then this would be, of course, be representing the request body. Now, we are going to make use of the variable is authenticated up here. What we make use of the variable is authenticated up here. What we want to happen now is that we wanted to determine if either the user was able to successfully log in, if they were able to properly or correctly input the correct login credentials. So again, we are going to hard code our users in here. So I am typing in a username that we are going to allow. So let's just use John. It's our authorized user. So again, remember that in real life application, we should be comparing or doing the authentication process against a secured database. Okay. And then now we're going to, if it happens to be that we were able to sign in successfully, we're going to set T is authenticated variable to true this time. And then we want that once they were able to log in properly from our login page, they will be redirected back to the home page. So this is our route, our route, and then let's make the else statement new now. It will just be if they were not able to log in, we would maybe send them to another failure page. Okay, so I think we will be creating a failure page as well. Failure. Okay. All right. Let me give a quick scan. Okay. All right. Let's save this file. And then, well, we want to test it now if it's working. Let's rerun our server and break. Okay, it worked. Let's close this, minimize File Explorer, and then let's start from the home page, then refresh our browser. Okay, so we are back to the page, the first log entry. Now, okay, so we are now seeing the login link from our homepage. Let's see if it did redirect us to our login form. Now let's see. So we inputted John, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the password. Why is this showing? Let's do something about it later on, but let's see it on login. Okay, we got an error. Cannot destructure property username of red button as it is under that. Okay. Let's see what's going on in there. So our username and password is undefined. See what we can do. Okay, alright, so we forgot in here the URL encoded middleware. So let me go ahead and add that up here. So whenever there is a form present to our application, we will need to make use of these express. See what we can do. Okay, alright, so we forgot in here the do something about it later on, but let's see it on login. Okay, we got an error. Cannot destructure property username of red button as it is undefined. Okay, let's see what's going on in there. So our username and password is undefined. See what we can do. Okay, alright, so we forgot in here the URL encoded middleware. So let me go ahead and add that up here. So whenever there is a form present to our application, we will need to make use of these express feature coded. Then we will need to enable the extension to true. Okay. Let's see where we did not close it. Oh, we did not open this one. Okay, looking. Great. Let me see if we missed something else. Okay. Log in. To render the login page, and then for the post, have that post log in. Correct that body. Okay, I'm saving the file, and then let's see. Let's go back to login.EJS. Oh. Oh, okay. So we did a typographical error. In here. That's why it's not hashing the password. Okay, that should now have the password. We type it in the password field. So let's give it another try. Rerunning our server. And then let's go back to our root URL. Okay, now let's sit down. Log in. We are John. Password 123456. Our hash is now working. And then let's see. Okay. Alright, so now we are successfully logged in. We are again redirected to our homepage just like what we wanted, but we still see the login information or the login option here which we want to be changed to a log out option instead. Right, that's what we wanted to do next. We will need to change it to a log out option once the user has been successfully get into our website. Just for us to have this idea or have this clue that he were able to successfully log in. So let's do that next. Let us go to, let's see, maybe the header file again. So here on our header, let me see. Let's go ahead and make the conditional statement here. So if is authenticated, we're using the is authenticated variable that we declared